What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage, another totally 2-minute tool time Tuesday. Today, I'm going to talk to you about this guy right here, the M12 FUEL, little weirdo. Yeah, that's right. Installation drill driver. Now, the reason this thing is so freaking cool is because it gets into odd places. So, for example, I need to drill into here. If you could see this little hole, I want to put a hole through there, and I'm going to go up through here. I don't necessarily want to measure it out because I am working on a sleeping platform for the back of my 5th gen 4Runner, and it would just be a hell of a lot easier to put a hole there, and there, line this up, and really not have to measure or really even mark anything. Put holes through that. This thing's been around for a while. It's M12. Pop one of those in there. Full bars on the battery. Forward and reverse because it is a drill. We have a 1 mode, slow, 2 for fast. We also have lockup on here for the drill mode, basically. That's full power. Or you have basically the clutches, which go down very far. So if you're going to be putting in nuts or fasteners or anything like that, that might be better because you're not going to strip it out. Drill chuck, right? And it's cool because it goes on here just like this. And it's basically, you know, it's called a chuck, right? Simple, easy. We've all seen that. Now, where it gets interesting, because of this, I want to drill up there. And if I have a drill bit on it, it's pretty long, right? We can't really get into that spot straight up and down. See, we're at a pretty substantial angle. But the installation driver comes with weird things. So you actually have an offset, which is really nice for, say, getting up into corners. So, for example, if we needed to get right up into here, and we had to go straight up, obviously not the easiest scenario when your drill chuck is like that. And then when it gets really fancy, in my opinion, is this little guy right here. This is the right angle adapter. So as soon as we put that on, even install it into all different orientations and configurations, which is really cool for, well, getting into weird spots. Because like I said, with this, I need to drill right here. So now you can see my drill is just like this. I can get it right into the spot where I have my hole that I need to put. And well, I can literally start drilling, but I'm gonna line this all up real quick. Also in the front here, you can see I got pieces of steel, a little magnet. So you can put all your screws and your things that you might have right in there, and it holds it. Plus a little belt clip, you know? Okay, not the greatest for breaking out at the top here, but that worked out well. You can see I've made a bit of a mess, but I was able to get in there just like that. And you can see able to drill up like that, which is cool. I can get to this next one. I'm gonna go ahead and just do it at the end. That way this is all lined up. An easy way to do something that, you know, it's gonna be a hell of a lot harder to do if you had to mark this, take it off, drill it. Boom. Easy. Perfect scenario for this thing to come in now that I'm onto the front. I want to get right up into that spot right there. Same setup. I got things in the way. Now I'm sideways. See that? Not so good. So now I should be able to offset this with this little piece right here and actually make it work. Hopefully we can kind of get this, but yeah, this is the idea, is that I would never be able to get this spot I did put a new drill bit in here too. Man, that was a lot faster with a new drill bit. I must have drilled steel with that other one. So there's my hole. That was my spot. And I did it nice and easy with this. Also, it does have like impact drive style as well for easy, you know, quick bit manipulation, or even if you have 1/4 inch drive drill bits, you could use that, which is super nice and easy to chuck stuff up. So yeah, absolutely love this thing. When you need it, it is great, man. This thing will get you out of a crazy pinch. It's a wild child. Like, look at that. It's just, you know, it's weird. You can do weird stuff with it, weird offsets, all those things. But when you need it, you need it. Like, if I ever wanted to drill a hole that low, I'm never going to be able to drill a hole that low into that board unless that board was out of there. So this thing comes in super clutch, and I love it for these weird scenarios. That's today's totally cheap. It's a 2-minute tool time tool. Don't know if I got that done in 2 minutes, but it's okay, because, you know, we showed you guys a pretty cool tool, and now I'm going to use it. Later, guys. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and rinse out.